Are you terrified of losing your entire website overnight? Maybe you spent hours getting the design just right, or you finally published that blog post you've been working on for weeks. And then, one wrong click or a surprise hack, and poof, it's all gone. I'll show you how to set up automatic backups in Hostinger in under 5 minutes, so you never have to feel that panic again. Alright, here's the plan. First, we're going to access the backup menu inside your Hostinger website builder. Then we'll walk through exactly how to trigger a backup by publishing your site. And finally, I'll explain how the whole backup system works, so you actually understand what's happening behind the scenes. So let's start by navigating into your site inside the Hostinger website builder. You'll want to open up whichever project you're working on. Just go ahead and click on it to get into the main editor view. This is where all the magic happens. Now, look over to the top right corner of the screen. See that little icon with 3 vertical dots? That's your More Options menu. Give that a click, and from the drop-down that appears, look for the option that says Backup. Go ahead and click on that, and here's the really important part. You'll see a message that says to create a backup, simply publish your site. Once the site is published, a backup will be created automatically. This is the core of how Hostinger handles things. It's not like some other platforms where you hit a manual Save Now button. Instead, they tie your backups directly to your publishing workflow. Every time you hit that Publish button, a new snapshot of your entire site gets saved, so you never have to remember to do it yourself. If you want to geek out on the details, there's a little link right there that says Learn More on how backups are created. Click that. A pop-up will open up and walk you through the full process. It explains how many backups are kept, how long they're stored, and what exactly gets saved. Take a quick look through that if you're curious. When you're done, just click the Close button to come back to the main screen. Now let's actually create your first backup. Go ahead and publish your site. Just hit that Publish button. It might take a moment to process, and once it's done, your backup is created automatically. You can verify this by going back into that backup menu from the 3-dot icon. You should now see a timestamp showing when your last backup was saved. That confirmation is everything. So there you have it. You went from worried about losing your hard work to confidently knowing that every time you publish, your site is saved and protected. No stress, no manual steps, just peace of mind. If this helped, give the video a like, and I'll catch you in the next one.